Hello guys, this is Akhil Seby talking to you, and actually this is my first video in my channel completely about my starting my videos about my bike, and I welcome all of you to my channel, and I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel because I upload many things only useful to the bikers. So be subscribed to my channel, and today's video it will be highly useful to you also. Guys, the most and important problem that faced by R15 V3 owner is the center stand. The unevaluated center stand is difficult to lube out chains. It makes our chain loops more difficult, and it's very difficult actually. So we have to purchase a paddock stand in order to make the chains lubed well, and as you know, it's so expensive. A paddock stand may be worth about 2,000 or 2,500 rupees. It's costly to a rider like me, so it is not a practical thing in order to buy a paddock stand. If you have fun with you, I highly recommend you to buy a paddock stand. If you don't have a fund of a 2,000 rupees in your hand, I will give you a trick which is very easy to you, and with zero cost. I mean zero cost means zero cost. Only one thing you needed is one piece of iron rod and a car jockey. Guys, and the second important thing you needed is a iron rod with this size. I think it's just like you see, I think a half, a palm's length, and it not to be a weaker one. It should be a harder one. Didn't bend a lot. It will be so strong. Make sure that it's strong. That's the second thing we needed. The safety thing we had to consider was the bike should be attached with a strong place, just like this. It is a small wall, so the bike will not go to the front side to make sure that it will not go to front side. Actually, you are lubing your bike in neutral, so there may chance to bike go to front side because your wheels will be lifted up. So make sure it's not going to anywhere. It is all safe, so make sure your bike is safe. That's the main thing. Guys, also mainly for a great safety, just place a brick like this inside under your front wheel, and that side will be locked there, and second place is locked here, so it's so safe. The bike will not go back or go front. It's not safe in position. Let's start our work. Guys, second thing I turn, see what there's a hole under your bike just for the center stand. Make the road passes through that road, and it fit over there. Guys, we are going to pull our bike up. What you do is you put the jockey in the road that we put in the hole of the center stand, and put the jockey under the bike. Make sure it is sit like in a straight position, not like vertical. Straight like this, not like this. And make sure the stone is safe over there, and put the bike up. And put it like that. Try to ease the tire is rolling. If not, push the jockey more to high. I see that tire is rolling now. Yeah, it is rolling now. The tire is free from the ground. It is rolling. The jack is, make sure the jack is safe over there. It didn't go anywhere. Our bike is really rolling the tires. And take the brush, clean it wisely here, and here. You're free to go. Tire is now actually free. It's zero cost, no paddock stand. With using your car jack itself, and it is zero cost. Okay, let's try on. Make the engine sound. Okay. What it is? See that? The tire is rolling. The spinning jack is over there. For more test. So just put in the lube, first gear, and lube the chain. Everything is safe. So guys, if you found this video is good to you, it is so useful to you, please subscribe to my channel. This is an important thing for me, and press that bell button. So guys, see you in the next video.